Great progress! You've reached the qualification stage of your financing journey. This is one of the most important milestones in the loan process because it lays the financial foundation for everything that follows. During the qualification stage, we gather the information needed to understand your complete financial picture. This includes things like your income, assets, employment or self-employment documents, and any additional documentation requested for your specific loan, and your official credit report. Having a complete file allows us to accurately evaluate your financial profile, determine your financing eligibility, and prepare your file for pre-approval. Your next step is simple. You'll receive a separate email listing all of the documents needed for your loan file, along with a brief description of each item. The email will also include a secure link that will guide you through the authorization and payment for your official credit report. Many clients already monitor their credit through services like Credit Karma, MyFICO, or other consumer credit applications. And while those are excellent tools for monitoring credit, lenders use a credit report specifically designed for mortgage lending. Your credit report is a required part of your loan file, and it must be received along with all other requested documentation before your financial review can even begin. The fee for the credit report is simply a third-party pass-through expense paid directly to the credit reporting agency. Excel Mortgage does not receive any portion of that fee. Please note, this is a very important part that we receive every requested document before moving forward. Your loan file will not be able to move forward until every requested item is received. The sooner your file is complete, the sooner we can begin your financial review and move you toward that pre-approval. Once your file is complete, we perform a comprehensive financial review verifying the information that you have provided and evaluate your financial profile based on your complete loan file. Our objective is to identify opportunities early in the process, address any questions before they become possible obstacles, and position your loan for the strongest possible outcome. Once your qualification is complete, your file will be pre-approved. And at that point, you'll have an opportunity to schedule a meeting directly with me. And we'll go over the results of your review, discuss your financing options, establish a realistic budget, answer questions that you may have, and develop a game plan for the next steps in your home financing journey. I look forward to meeting with you and helping you take that next step towards achieving your home ownership goals.